What's going on, guys? Wolfie here, and I am honestly really excited about today's video. As you can probably tell from the title, you're going to know what it's about. But most kids these days, you ask them, what's your favourite car, what's your dream car? And it's going to be a Nissan Skyline, or the R35 GTR, or a Ferrari, or a Lamborghini, even a Bugatti Veyron, something way out of there, like something that you probably will never be able to even see in real life, let alone own. Well, my boy Ollie, turns out that he's developed quite an obsession with Vauxhall Corsas. No idea why, but he absolutely loves them. Whenever he spots one going past, he gets so hyped, the same way as probably you or I or younger kids would seeing a Ferrari. But he's developed this absolute obsession with Corsas. So what I've done is I asked him, what's your favourite car? Corsa. Asked him what model Corsa is your favourite? Corsa D. What colour would you get it if you could get a Corsa? He chose white, which I was not expecting, because his favourite two colours are purple and blue. So I was expecting him to say purple or blue, but apparently he wants a white Corsa. Okay. Okay. So Ollie, what's your favourite car?
Ooh, a Corsa.
Corsa. And what colour would you have a Corsa if you could buy a Corsa?
White.
White. You'd have a white Corsa.
Yeah,
Why do you like Corsas?
because of the looks and design.
Oh. Which one's your favourite Corsa?
Well, the D model.
The D model, the one like 9 used to have.
Yeah, because it's so cool.
Oh, awesome. Now, I scoured the internet and it's impossible to find Corsa shells, apart from one that I managed to find, which is for Banger Racing, which didn't really look like a Corsa, and I managed to find another one that fits an M chassis that is a Corsa B GSI. So I bought one, I painted it all white. I bought M chassis Tamiya off a mate from a group, and I built it. So I'm going to show you a quick video of me just spraying it quickly, and I'm on the way to pick Ollie up now from his grandmother's house, and I'm going to take him over to his other grandmother's house where I've kept the car, and I'm going to reveal it to him. So I'm going to show you a clip of me painting it, show you the quick clip of him telling me what his favourite car is, even though I already knew, and yeah, we're going to reveal it to him and hopefully have a first drive. Now, the magnets that hold the body on aren't perfectly lined up yet. I'm going to have to unstick them and stick them back on. But it's good enough that I can show him and he can have a quick drive, and hopefully he's going to love it. Hey Ollie,
Yeah?
are you ready for your surprise?
Yes.
What do you think it could be?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
You have no idea?
I have no idea.
What do you think it might be? Have a guess.
It might be a Lego.
Lego?
Yeah.
I wonder. You do like your Lego?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll get to Nine's house and then I'll show you.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so hyped. I told him to count to 10 and then open the door. I hope he likes it.
Hey!
What's that?
It's Corsa B.
It is. That's yours.
Yeah, thank you.
What do you think?
It's cool.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah? Do you want to drive it quick before we go home?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It looks cool.
Yeah? Exactly how you said.
Yeah.
Yeah? White.
White.
A white Corsa, like you said.
Yes.
Yeah? Shall we give it a quick test?
Yes.
Awesome. Let's go. Alright, go on then. You're driving a Corsa, buddy.
Yeah.
Keep watching the car. Look, come stand next to me so you can see it. Look, come stand next to me. And can you drive past me? Not under the car. Right. Oh, careful. Do you prefer that controller or do you prefer the normal ones that we use?
For that.
You prefer that one?
Yeah.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Right. God, take it over that way. Don't worry, I'm keeping an eye out for cars. Oh. Wow, between the legs. Wow, you did a burnout then. Oh, and again. Wow. Wow, burnouts.
Yeah, donuts.
What do you think?
It looks cool.
You like it?
Yes.
Good.
Ooh. Got a little speedy there. Ooh. Whoa.
What do you think?
It looks cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
You happy?
Yeah.
Good. Right, let's go home.
Yeah.
Well, I'd say that was a success. He seemed really happy with it. So yeah, I'm glad that he liked it. He might not show on camera just because of how he is, but I'm pretty sure he's really happy with it. And I can't wait until I've sorted those magnets out so that him and I can go for a proper drive around back sometime. I'll get one of my cars out and we can drive together, which should be pretty fun. But yeah, hopefully that will come in a video in a week or two, hopefully. But yeah, I'm really glad you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys. It means a lot. See you in the next video.